Are you passionate about yoga and looking to deepen your practice? If so, our online yoga teacher training course is perfect for you. Our online yoga teacher training course covers everything from fundamentals of yoga philosophy and anatomy to advanced asanas and teaching techniques. You will gain deeper understanding of yoga not just as a physical practice but as a holistic lifestyle. With our interactive video lessons, live virtual classes, and a supportive online community, upon enrollment, you will receive lifetime access to our extensive course videos and educational resources. Plus, our courses come with subtitles in 11 languages, ensuring yoga knowledge surpasses borders and languages. So, why wait? Take a step towards becoming a certified yoga teacher.